Welcome everyone to our course on Generative AI, an accelerating and rapidly advancing field that is revolutionizing industries through its capabilities in content creation, predictive modeling, and enhanced decision-making processes. This course is your gateway to mastering generative AI, covering essential concepts and providing practical hands-on experience. We will dive into diverse use cases such as data analysis, website development and publishing, creating engaging presentations, and much more. To begin, let's get to know the creators of this course. This course is put together by Yogesh Raheja, a senior solution architect at ThinkNext Technologies and an instructor on Udemy. Yogesh has been a trusted guide for numerous organizations, empowering their DevOps journey, infrastructure as code, containerization, cloud computing, and AI/ML with expertise and trust. He has also authored several books which are published globally by Pact and Wiley. The course is co-authored by Dheeraj Sen, a DevOps engineer at ThinkNext Technologies who brings a wealth of experience in DevOps, AI/ML, data science, and strong proficiency in Python programming. I'm Deepti Narayan, a senior DevOps engineer at ThinkNext Technologies. I'm excited to guide you through this journey. Together, we have contributed to many AI/ML courses on Udemy, including AI Ecosystem for Absolute Beginners and Mastering Prompt Engineering for GenAI. This course takes you deep into the fundamentals and advanced techniques of generative AI. You will gain a solid grasp of key concepts and their real-world use cases. Live demonstrations further enhance your learning experience, providing hands-on practice and practical applications of these concepts. To ensure mastery, each section includes carefully designed assignments to consolidate your knowledge. So, what exactly will we learn? We will begin with an overview of generative AI, tracing its evolution within the broader AI ecosystem. Then, we will explore essential GenAI terminologies such as GANs, FMs, and LLMs. Following that, we will dive into fundamental concepts related to prompt engineering, its best practices, and refining your prompts to achieve optimal results. At the heart of this course are practical use cases. These are not just typical examples, but various domain-specific scenarios designed to streamline and enhance your daily workflows. We will start with foundational use cases and progress to more specialized ones, incorporating the latest trends in the field. We will also address the potential risks and challenges involved in using generative AI. At the end, we will work on an exciting Capstone project utilizing AWS Bedrock. This project will involve developing a website that features an AI chatbot capable of engaging in conversations and generating images. Whether you're new to AI, or already have some experience, we will start with foundational concepts and guide you through each stage of learning. Without further delay, let's begin.